everybody, welcome to this week's Make It Monday. For this week's project, we have a no-bake peanut butter pretzel cookie. I know how much you guys love food, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. What do we need for this cookie recipe? We need graham cracker crumbs, or if you don't have crumbs, we've got graham crackers and you can just mash them up. We need pretzels. We need some peanut butter, we need some honey, we need some cinnamon, some vanilla, some chocolate chips, we need a bowl, and we need some measuring spoons and some measuring cups. Let's get started. So the very first thing you're going to need is about half a cup of pretzels. And I already put them in a bag, I measured them out. So here's the fun part. You have to mash them. So we are going to crush them. You can crush them with your hands. I'm using my rolling pin and I'm just going to squish them just like this. Doesn't this look like fun? I bet if you're having another really bad day, this would be a great way to get out some frustration. What do you think, Ben? Maybe you should do this after school sometime. All right. And I made these really lovely pretzel crumbs. See, just like this. All right, so I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna dump them right in the bowl, just like this. Okay? Then I'm going to add the graham cracker crumbs. And this recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of them. So I'm gonna dump that right in the bowl. And I'm just gonna mix these two things up just like this. Okay. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to add my peanut butter, and you need about 1/3 cup of peanut butter. And I'm just using plain creamy peanut butter. I guess if you want to use crunchy, that would work too. I'm gonna take it. I'm using the spatula to put it right in the bowl. Okay? Like that. Do you think it smells good, Jen?
Yeah.
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 All right, I'm gonna add some honey. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey into this. This is going to be part of our Go Packs this week. So if this recipe looks really good, come into the library starting today and you can pick up one of these and make this at home. Won't that be a lot of fun? That'll be especially fun if you need something to do because it's been so cold and snowy. All right, I think I've got it. Does that look like about 2 tablespoons, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna take that, and again, I'm gonna use my spatula and just kind of get it right into the bowl. All right, I think I've got it all out. Okay, I'm gonna kind of mush this together. It kind of looks weird when you first get it started. Now, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Just like this. There's the vanilla. And I'm just going to add just a sprinkle of cinnamon, just like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to take this spoon and get everything off my spatula right now. And I'm gonna use this spoon to start mixing this all together. And trust me, it may not look the most appetizing right now, but come on, it's got pretzels and graham crackers and peanut butter. That's all really good stuff. I'm going to add into all of this, I said we needed some chocolate chips. So we're gonna add about 1 teaspoon of chocolate chips. And if you want to add more chocolate chips, you can certainly do that. I think this looks pretty good though. Okay. All right, when you are all finished, it should look like this. Okay. See it? It should look just like this. All right. Okay, that's all mixed together. Then what you are going to do is you are going to mix it into little balls, just like this, and kind of flatten it out into a cookie just like if you were going to bake it. This you're just not going to bake. See? It's going to look just like this. Now, we're going to have some fun and finish this off. So, you're going to take one of the extra pretzels, and we're giving you plenty of pretzels to do this recipe. And you're going to put the pretzel right on top. I'm going to bring it over here so you can see it. We're going to put the pretzel on top. Now, before I got started, I melted about a teaspoon or so of chocolate chips in the microwave, and I'm going to lean just around you, Ben, and get them out. And I melted the chocolate. And I melted all the chocolate, but guess what? It hardened. So we're going to pretend that this would be all soft, and you're just going to drizzle it right over. So that should probably be the last step that you do. Just melt the chocolate, drizzle it right over top. Now, as I always tell you, I practice this stuff before I ever come on camera. So I made some ahead of time so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And the finished product should look just like this. And you can see here how I drizzled the melted chocolate, and it kind of glued the pretzels right onto the cookie. You're going to want to chill all of these for about 30 minutes before you eat them. It's going to make about 8 to 10 cookies for you. I would love to know what you think about this recipe, and if you try it at home, I'd love to see it on our Instagram page. And as I said, please come in this week, pick it up. All the ingredients will be available in Go Packs at both Maine and at Southeast. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will be back next week with a new Make It Monday. Until then, I'll see you soon.